Hello, welcome to my first YouTube video on this channel. The weather is slightly rainy and it is 7:30 at night. I am headed to the forest to do some camping in a tent, and it's going to be fun. I reckon it's going to be about a 20-minute walk, maybe longer, maybe less. I'm not sure really where my camp spot's going to be. The rain is getting slightly heavier now, so I might not record for a while, since I don't want my microphone or my actual phone getting wet. Just coming into the forest entrance now. It is still only a little bit raining, but it feels like it will get heavier, so I want to get to the camping area quickly, which I'm still not sure where that's going to be, but I'm just going to try and find a nice spot that won't get too wet, and also where I won't be disturbed by people. Getting a bit further into the entrance, there's a golf course right next to the forest, so the golf course entrance was back there, and then there's a gate up here which goes into the actual forest. The rain is fine. I just have to make sure I can get my tent set up and keep everything else dry, and then in the morning it will be the same time walking home, so I won't really have to worry about my stuff getting wet, just as long as I can make the walk back home from the campsite. It is a little bit chilly, but obviously I'm walking, exercising, working up a sweat, and I'm warming up. And here it is, just up here in the horrible darkness. Alright, there we go. Just that gate over there. You get to that, and then oh, there's a moth flying around me. You get to this gate, then we're in the forest, and then it's probably 15-20 minutes from the entrance to where I'm thinking about going, but it might not be a very good spot when I get there, so I'll find out. Always got to shut the gate, and off you go. I want to find somewhere that's relatively shielded by trees, and also where people won't walk, because obviously I don't want to be disturbed whilst I'm trying to record and have a nice relaxed trip. I'm gonna take the left path, because I'm pretty sure less people go up here. Obviously it's quite a popular area, this whole forest around where I live, but I'm not sure many people are going to want to come out at the night when it's raining, and then I'll be up early tomorrow morning to go back, so I should be fine. My chair is hanging right out, well, it's kind of coming over this side a bit, but I don't think it'll fall out, and if it does, I'm fine carrying it with my hand. Just come up the second hill, walking past some trees here. It does look like there could be a nice spot in that area there, but I think it's too close to the path, just in case somebody does come down and they got a torch on them and they decide to go exploring a bit in there. And obviously I'm going to have a light on as well, so if somebody's close and they see a light on, they'll probably want to come have a look, see what it is. It has stopped raining now, so hopefully I am able to get to where I want to sleep and also have a little chill session on this chair right here, which I'm just gonna push back that way a bit, but it won't really work. And I think it will slow me down too much, because I do want to, if I have a chance to, get my tent set up when it's still light. I do see a light in the distance, looks like it's quite far away. But I'm taking the middle path. There's a path either side of me, I'm taking the middle one. Probably about another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not really sure, but as I keep saying, just as long as I can try and get set up before the rain starts. This area here looks good to me, so I think I might head into this bit and see if there's a nice spot. So let me just turn my flash on. I'm going to try and get further into this bit here, just so that I'm not right next to the path, but still within good distance from it. And then I'll set up my tent and then just, I guess, chill for a bit, make sure all of my stuff is good. Let's go this way. Which way? I think if I just go a tiny bit further around here. So this looks like a little clearing I could find useful. Like right here. I think this will be a nice spot for my tent to fit. And then I'm not too far from a path, also not too close to it, because I'm down a hill a bit now. Can't see the path. finally managed to get the tent set up, so just got to let me bring the camera. So got the tent set up here. I just got to peg it in, and then just get everything inside it. Okay, the tent is now fully set up. I've moved all my stuff into here as well. So I'm just going to take these boots off, get comfy inside here, and then I'll check back in with you guys. And I might later go and have a little sit outside with my nice chair. But yeah, you can see my breath there. So we are now all set up inside the tent. We've got while I'm sleeping here. I'm not completely set up, but this is just a little progress report, I guess. So we've got my sleeping bag and my mat here. It's a blow up mat and it's quite nice. I've just got my pillow to put in there, and that's my bed sorted. And then I've also got some food to eat. I don't think I have anything else that I need to set up. For our food, we've got a Wolves sausage roll there. We've got a tango as a drink. We've got a bag of quavers, and I have some other snacks in my bag, but I don't know if I will have them or not. Now it is time to get comfortable, so I am going to take my waterproof trousers off, take this jacket off, then I'll just have a t-shirt and trousers on. But obviously if I get cold I will put the jacket back on. I'm now nice and settled in here, so I'm gonna dig into this food I have, and then report back with you guys, I guess. It is now 9 o'clock. I'm all settled in for bed. I've had some food, which was very nice. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna get comfortable, watch some videos for a bit, play games on my phone, and then I will go to sleep. So I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning, everyone. So it is now 6 o'clock. It's still a little bit dark outside, so whilst it's dark, I'm gonna get all my stuff packed up in here, and hopefully it will get a bit lighter when I can just take my tent down and then head home. Everything is now cleared out of the tent, which is all good. So right there. So now I'm just gonna take down the tent, get everything packed up, and head home. Everything is now packed up and ready to go, all here. So now I'm just gonna head back that way onto the track and go down to a car park where I'm gonna get picked up instead of walking back home. Out on the path now. It's probably 10 minutes there. It's now 7 in the morning, so it took me an hour to do all my stuff, which to be honest I don't think is bad. Considering a lot of it was wet, well the tent was really wet. Rained a lot last night, but the sky's clear now. It's a nice morning, so I'm gonna enjoy this last little walk and go home. There's a doggy over there. What's that doggy doing? Oh. I'm now just coming up to the car park, which is where I'll end this video. So I will say goodbye to you all. If you're going to go camping, stay safe out there. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Leave comments down below of ideas, tips and tricks. Any questions you have. Bye.